5 essential tips and tricks to improve pronunciation. 1. Learn the IPA, or International Phonetic Alphabet. If you're attached to language learning, you may have noticed the fact that there's no correspondence between the spelling and pronunciation of a word in a given language. The International Phonetic Association therefore came up with the idea of the International Phonetic Alphabet. IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet, represents the sounds of spoken languages. When you learn the IPA, you actually learn the sounds used in different languages of the world in a general way. When learning the IPA, your focus should be on the sounds of one language, the language you're learning. The symbols of the IPA represent all the sounds used in different languages of the world. The reason why Super English Grammar encourages you to learn the IPA is that English dictionaries use the IPA for transcription. That is, English dictionaries give the pronunciations of their words using the International Phonetic Alphabets. Wait a minute. Only learning the IPA is not enough.